Why you're always tired doing nothing. It's 7:12 p.m. You're home. The laptop is closed. Dinner smells good in the kitchen. And yet your body feels like it ran 3 marathons. Except here's the plot twist. You didn't run. You didn't lift bricks. You sat. And somehow, sitting all day made you feel like gravity doubled. So, let me ask you a question. Why is the first generation in history that spends its life sitting the most exhausted generation ever? Chapter 1. The hidden tax you never agreed to. Think of your energy like money in a wallet. You think you're spending it on the big stuff, work, meetings, deadlines. But here's the truth. Most of your energy is leaking away through hidden taxes. That car honk in traffic this morning. Tax. That coworker's passive-aggressive per my last email. Tax. The flickering fluorescent light above your head. Tiny tax every second. By 10 a.m., you've already been billed 40% of your daily energy without realizing it. Your body is paying for survival-level stress in situations that aren't life-threatening. It's like your nervous system is still running Windows 95 while the world upgraded to iPhone 16 Pro Max. Chapter 2. The Silent Energy Thief. Picture this. You walk into an open office. The chatter, the constant buzzing, the thermostat war, half the office freezing, the other half sweating. None of this seems like a big deal, right? But your brain is doing micro-adjustments every second, tuning out background voices, adjusting your body temperature, filtering the endless movement around you. It's like leaving 47 browser tabs open on your brain. Each one eats a little RAM. No wonder by lunchtime you're mentally buffering like a slow Wi-Fi connection. Chapter 3. The Chemical Trap. Your body runs on rhythms, high energy in the morning, lower in the evening. But screens, deadlines, and notifications hijack that system. Result? You wake up tired, crawl through the day half dead, and then, ironically, your brain wakes up at midnight when you should be sleeping. That's not laziness. That's cortisol and adrenaline misfiring. Your stress chemistry got stuck in always on. It's like leaving the lights on in your house 24/7. No wonder the power bill, your energy is maxed out. Chapter 4. The ping-ping death spiral. Let's talk numbers that hurt. The average worker checks email 80 times a day. Each time you switch tasks, your brain needs 23 minutes to fully refocus. Do the math. You are literally never in full focus mode. Every ping equals a false alarm. Every buzz equals your brain screaming, "Predator." Your nervous system doesn't know the difference between a Slack message and a tiger attack. Both trigger fight or flight, which means your inbox is hunting you. Chapter 5. The Sitting Illusion. Here's the paradox. You're exhausted from doing nothing. Sitting all day sounds restful, but here's the truth. Your core muscles are holding you up. Your posture is constantly resisting gravity. Your blood circulation slows down. You're basically idling a car engine for 8 hours. You don't move forward, but the gas tank empties anyway. And then when you finally get home and think, "I should exercise," your body laughs in your face. Chapter 6. Decision Fatigue. The Invisible Battery Drain. You wake up, and your brain starts a to-do list instantly. Which shirt to wear? Which route to take? Coffee or tea? Reply all or not? Emoji or no emoji? Each small choice steals a drop from your energy bucket. By 2 p.m., you've made hundreds of micro-decisions. That's why choosing what to eat for dinner feels like solving nuclear physics. Add the infinite scroll of social media. Each swipe is another micro-decision. Keep, skip, click. That's not rest. That's decision torture disguised as entertainment. Chapter 7. The Recovery Robbery. Now here's the cruel joke. The very thing that's supposed to recharge you, rest, has been hacked. Instead of relaxing at night, you revenge scroll, because that's your only me time. But what you're really doing, marinating in blue light, dopamine spikes, and mental noise. So you wake up half-charged. Weekend comes, still not enough. By Monday, you're already in energy debt. It's like paying off a credit card by opening another credit card. Chapter 8. The Domino Effect of Exhaustion. Being tired doesn't just stay tired. It multiplies. You wake up tired. You grab sugar for breakfast, crash later. A crash leads to more coffee, jittery exhaustion. A work slows down, deadlines pile, more stress, worse sleep. One domino knocks down 12. But here's the twist. The same compounding works in your favor. Fix one small domino, and the others start falling positively. Chapter 9. The Energy Audit. Here's your mission. For 7 days, rate your energy 4 times a day, morning, noon, afternoon, night. Scale of 1 to 10. Write one sentence. What just happened? Example. 3/10 Zoom call dragged for 2 hours. 7/10 took a 10-minute walk outside. By the end of the week, patterns scream at you. You'll see exactly where your leaks are. And here's the secret. You don't fix everything. You fix the 20% causing 80% of your exhaustion. Chapter 10. Your Power Plan. Now take your biggest energy vampire. Just one. If it's notifications, cut them in half. If it's sitting, add 5-minute walk break. If it's sleep sabotage, 30 minutes no screens before bed. Start stupid small. Why? Because exhaustion makes everything feel impossible. So we cheat the system by making it too easy to fail. And that's how you win. 10% more energy today makes tomorrow's fix 20% easier. Momentum snowballs. Remember that scene at 7:12 p.m., you collapsing on the couch? Imagine instead, you walk in, sure you're tired, but not destroyed. You've got energy left for your kid, your partner, your side project, or just yourself. That's not a fantasy. That's what happens when you stop the leaks, reclaim the flow, and run your brain the way it was designed. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just running ancient biology on modern chaos. But now you have the user manual, and it starts with one small fix. If this clicked with you, hit like so the algorithm knows this matters. Subscribe for more science-backed ways to protect your brain. And if your brain feels like it's always running on low battery, this video could be the cure you didn't know you needed. Watch now before your energy slips away again.